If you want to get 1 month of Discord Nitro free through the Epic Games trial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step in this video. This is a quick and easy method, and it only takes a few minutes if you already have the Epic Games app installed on your PC. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Epic Games account. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and app guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games app on your PC. Once it loads, look for the search bar inside the store. This is where you'll search for the free Discord Nitro offer. Type Discord Nitro into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. When you see Discord Nitro in the results, select it to open the offer page. On the product page, you should see a blue Get button. Click that button to claim the trial. Epic Games may ask you to confirm your selection, so just follow any prompts on the screen and make sure the offer is added to your account. Once you've claimed it, go to your library. From there, download Discord if it's available through the offer, or open the redemption process linked to the promotion. After that, sign in with your Discord account and follow the instructions to activate the 1-month Nitro trial. Make sure you use the same account you want the Nitro on, because that's the account the benefit will be applied to. If everything is done correctly, your free month should be ready to use. Now, if you don't see it right away, double check that you actually claimed the offer in Epic Games, and make sure your Discord account is signed in properly. Sometimes these trial offers require you to complete the redemption inside your library or for the linked reward page before the Nitro shows up. And that's it. That's how to get 1 month of Discord Nitro free through the Epic Games trial. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.